Hey, this is Lee again, and this time I'm going to tell you what's in my barbecue sauce to go with that rub. Because you had a lot of seasonings that went in the rub, you don't need a hell of a lot in the barbecue sauce, but you need enough to complement the flavors. So, since the rub was mostly all dry ingredients, the sauce is going to pretty much be all wet ingredients. So you have 1/2 teaspoon of Frank's RedHot chili lime sauce. You have 3/4 cup of Brad's organic tomato ketchup. You have 1/4 cup Nakano rice vinegar natural. You have a tablespoon of honey. You have a tablespoon of Woodstock yellow mustard. I don't know why this is getting all fuzzy, but I'm not going to stop. Anyway, regardless of the fuzziness, let me put in this. Okay, then I'll put in this. Alright, let's see if I can put in as much as I can. Okay, then I put in this as much as possible. Then I put in this. Then I put in this. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you there were 3 packets of soy sauce that were just regular packets of soy sauce that you get when you go to a delicatessen. So anyway, that was the other ingredient. I'll put it all in the description. Anyway, I'm sorry that the thing is getting fuzzy, but the show must go on. That's going to be my sauce that I make. And take care, everyone. Bye.